So now what you are going to install Android SDK, JDK and everything here. So now what I'm doing is that I'm going here to build settings and I'm going for Android. To build it for Android, I have to go to the download page. So it will start to download it. Okay, I have already downloaded it. I have kept it here. So I'm just installing it. Okay, and before that you just close this and you just click next. I accept, but it will say that 2019 point some distorted version. Okay. Okay. Please close the application to continue. So get back. Okay. It's saying that application in progress personal. Okay. So it is the same version but 2018 was found. Install anyway. Okay, let's see what will happen. We have to see that the Android module over there. That is our problem. Okay. So now what I'm doing is I'm closing this Unity now. Close this. Not needed because this is running it. Okay. Let it run. After that, you have to find the Android module over there because till now it is not found. This is how you have to install. First, you have to download it. Mismatch you can do with this. Okay, let it download. So it has finished the setup. So after finishing the setup, you have to go here and type Unity. Okay, you should not. I didn't restart it, so we will check if it is wanted. We will restart it. Okay, now let's add a new project. Okay, so in this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a 3D project. And name this new project 1 3D. It's a template design project. Before that, I have to find the SDK where it is. Okay, I have to go here and find the SDK. SDK. Okay, so Reddit search. So there are lots of SDK, Android SDK we need. Okay, Microsoft SDK. Okay, the 3D file has been opened. After this, what you have to do, you have to go to the edit, preferences, and in the external tool that should show this Android SDK. It is not showing up. I don't know why. Okay, it is not showing it. I don't know why. So go to the build settings. Go to the Android version. It's not able to find it. So 2019.2.8. Okay. So add the open scenes and the download page. Still now it is just giving this one 2019.1, but it is not able to find it. Okay, it's not able to find it. I don't know why. Just go here. Everything is okay in this, but for PC and Mac you don't have to set it up. For this also you have to set it up. For iOS also you have to set it up. Only for Android it is no Android module found. So I don't know why it is not able to find. So I will restart the system.